Okay, is it working? I'm very excited now. First ever live stream. I'm not sure if it's working. Okay, no dropped frames, which is a good thing, I guess. No one is watching, which is also a good thing, I guess. Okay. Okay, no issues. CPU 17%. Okay, one person is watching. Hello. Okay, it's working. I made it. It's working. Let me actually try to hold on. Yeah, I can see myself live, which is good. Hold on. All right. How about music? Is music working now? Let me mute myself. Okay, what happens if I talk and can you still hear the music? Okay, it should be fine. No one is watching though. It's great. Maybe I should tweet this out so that maybe I can get some attention to this and see if it's really working or not. Yeah. No dropped frames, which is great. It's been 4 minutes. CPU is fine. Okay, switching scenes. Is this working? Yeah. Oh, cool. Okay, I will actually tweet this out and see if people will tune in. Yeah, let me get the link to this first. Test live stream. Just chatting. And let me find an emoji for this. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see if more people will tune in. If this will bring some people in, that will be pretty fun. I hope not a lot of people will tune in though. I'm still testing this out, so I don't want to screw this up, you know? But yes, overall it seems fine. I mean, I don't have any dropped frames or anything. Everything seems fine. But as long as I start compiling Rust, then that might be a problem, I guess. Yeah, that's what's going on Twitter. I should probably delete the tweet afterwards though. Like, I don't know, a couple of hours later or something. Okay, three people are watching. That's great. Guys, maybe we should just start coding, man. I mean, why are we waiting for people, you know? The voice sounds fine, same. Okay, cool. Thank you for the feedback. I hope there's not a lot of delay in the stream, but should be fine. Okay, I'll just give it like 5 minutes and I'll just dive into stuff because I don't want to wait a lot. Just for people to come in. I'll give it like 5 minutes or so. And also I can maybe share this on other socials too. Welcome to my stream. Feels very weird right now, but I'll get used to it. Okay, I'll just start coding stuff because I'm kind of bored waiting. So yeah, I can share it on Discord too. Hold on. Just remembered. Okay, let's just do something, guys. Let's just do something, you know? I want to dive into some stuff. I should probably fix the camera too, because when I type in, it just kind of like moves a bit, so I need to like kind of make it like a stable position or something, because I don't want you guys to, I don't want the viewers to experience an earthquake while I'm typing. That would be pretty bad. I don't know why I'm explaining stuff, but you got it. 7 views. It's all-time record right now. Okay, hold on, I just accidentally closed the live stream tab. It's been 10 minutes. Cool. Okay, guys, just say hi in the chat. I don't know who is watching this. It would be nice to at least know that some human beings are watching this, not just robots and AI stuff, you know? But yeah, seems to be fine. Okay. Still here, brother. my first viewer. Who are you guys? I don't know. Do I know you? You're one of the legends now. You'll be here from the start when I have like lot of people watching, hopefully. My man. Okay, let's just do something because I'm bored. Okay, so I'm just gonna change the scene. And also change this to this and also make it visible. You should be able to see it now. Okay, so hell yeah, man. That's awesome. So okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Sounds cool. I'm gonna kind of like arrange things a bit here. Okay, so let me check Discord real quick. I'm not getting notifications in case you're sending me messages. Hey, what's up? So I'm working on this project called git-cliff. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but I'm just gonna give you like a brief introduction. So it's basically for generating changelogs. Something like this. When you run it like this, it processes the commits from the git history and gives you like a pretty cool prettified version of your changes from the latest release, or in whatever part, like in whatever like section of the git history you want. So yeah, that's that. And what I'm doing right now is I want to build a TUI for it, and right now it looks like this. Wait, git-cliff-tui. Yeah. So after I compile this thing, which hopefully won't affect the quality of the stream, because Rust is kind of problematic when it comes to these things. Oh hey, my bro just tuned in, hey. Okay, we are doing fine, guys. Yeah, I'll imagine, man. I'll imagine you're here. You're in my heart, not in a gay way, but you know what I mean. Okay, so I will actually share this stream on some servers on Discord too. Okay, yeah, we're still doing fine after compiling this, which is great. So what I'm doing right now is I want to have like this terminal UI, and I want to like show the changelog formats based on these different configs. So for example, I have this cliff-toml, which is the default, and when I press enter, I should be able to see the changelog here. Takes a bit of time because it fetches the GitHub data. But yeah, come on. Maybe I shouldn't have run this on this repo. I should probably do it like a more minimal example here. Yeah, exactly. This repository has like less commits, so it should be like faster to get the GitHub data and do stuff. So when I press enter, I should be able to see the changelog here, and it also auto loads the changelog, which means that when you change the config, it automatically changes, or like it automatically regenerates the changelog and shows it to you, so you can like live debug it. For example, if I go here and change something here, I should also see it on the TUI as well. Like for example, let's change the refactor emoji here. Yeah, let's just make it like this, I don't know. And it should, in theory, should be right now regenerating it, hopefully, and I should be able to see it. Yeah, there we go. So it just regenerated the changelog, and I just you know, auto load any like changes, because I use this, I guess it was here, I use this this notify library for watching the file changes. So when something changes, I just send this event and I catch it in the state somewhere, or no, not in the state, so somewhere down there, I guess. Am I dropping frames? No. Okay, cool. And I catch it here, and then I basically generate the changelog. So that's how that works. And also, like, you can copy the contents here, which is great. I just realized the bug there. There's an extra pipe there. I should probably delete it. Hold on. Now that I'm onto it, I should just fix it very quickly. Yeah. To load. Yep. So my next goal is what was I doing actually? Yeah, I can auto load the changes. I can copy the contents. Oh, I want to have like a toggle button for hiding the config sidebar there, because sometimes you don't want to, like, when you like resize the terminal, this part takes too much space, I think, which kind of like makes it hard to see the whole file. So I want to hide that part and use the terminal in a better way, I guess, and you know, have a better layout. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add that here. It should be fairly straightforward, actually. I have this. Wait, this font is too big. So I will just add it to the key bindings here, because this key bindings are always like rendered on the bottom. So I want to make it visible on the bottom part of the TUI. I'm just gonna call it T and toggle, and then I will go to state. I'm gonna add another flag here. Should be something like wait, that should be called it actually. Is toggled. Well, if I call this is toggle, then I should be calling the running variable is running, because I want to follow the same convention. I'm just gonna rename this to is running. It's just programmer issues, man. This programmer issues is running. Okay. And is toggled should be, is the UI, no, is the sidebar toggled. Okay. And it should be false as default. Is toggled false. And based on the state, hold on. How are we doing on the stream, by the way? Let me check the stream health real quick. Just the first stream, so I gotta make myself familiar with these type of stuff. Okay, socials fine. Mastodon. Now are we back? Reconnecting. Reconnecting. Okay, are we back? There was a small Small drop there actually. I don't know what happened. Are we still live? Probably yes. Hey Josh. Okay, should be fine now. All right, we are back. There was like a 10 seconds of a network issue, which is kind of like a scary moment for me, for 10 seconds at least. Because I don't know how this like software works, you know. I never done this before, so just testing out. But should be fine, I guess. That right now we are back. And we are back on track. Okay, what the fuck I was doing? I kind of forgot. Okay, is toggled. Yeah, I'm gonna go to render. I don't want to render the sidebar when this toggle is. Oops. This toggle is true. So is toggled. No, not is running. It's toggled. I'm gonna render the, not gonna render the list actually. It should be here somewhere. Okay. Render the list and change log when it's toggled. Okay, it should be the other way around. And when it's not toggled, it should just render the changelog, and it should be frame area. Yeah. Okay. Groundbreaking feature. It's gonna be okay. It's not toggled. It's default, and I should probably make it like toggle true, and then on the event, no, yeah, here I'm just gonna do it like this. Pretty basic key code. Key. Yep. Be fine. Last one, change the size of the. Yeah, that actually makes sense. Yeah. That's yeah, I'm actually gonna try that. Okay, now it's toggling, but it's rendering the, wait, why is it rendering the block like that? Okay, key bindings should not look like that, at least. So I'm just gonna do like this. Wait, should I actually first try what Josh said and then? Okay, let me think. My brain is not working. It's very late at night, and I'm trying to live stream and code at the same time. A lot of first things happening right now, so yeah, looks like yeah. So okay, I'm just gonna try to focus now. It's gonna be I'm just gonna try to so what you said is if you like if you do something like this, wait, am I doing correctly? I don't know. Wait, when I do this, what happens? What? God damn it. I'm just trying out right now. It's not the actual thing that I'm gonna do, but I'm kind of curious. So I'm just gonna clone this. And then wait, it still kind of renders, but I actually want to like expand this area to the left side. So I don't know if your suggestion will work or if I got it correctly, but wait, yeah, I don't know. Let me just reword this. Oh, okay, got it. Well, that's I guess another way to handle this. I'm really sweating right now. Wow. I should get like a small fan in my room, but then it will make a lot of noise. Then it might affect the quality of the stream. I don't know. It's just I'm trying out new things. Okay, it's just the experimentation right now. So I don't know. The stream will be very very awkward to watch in the future. So yeah. So what you have said is just change the constraints to 2080 to 0 but then I need to check the wait, how does that work? Yeah, I don't know, man. My brain is not working right now. I'm just trying to like code at this hour with no intelligence at all. Like, okay, hold on. So yeah, I can actually try the fan. Maybe I can place it like a bit far from the table so that it will still be kind of cool but not very loud. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted. So when I press T, it toggles, and it's still like I can still see the changelog as well. So it kind of like goes to like full screen, but I realized that the title actually disappears. So I don't know what is going on there. Maybe I should yeah, I should like, yeah, I'm gonna split the whole area by just one character, one line, and then render the title first and then render the rest so that it won't change, kinda. Okay, that's an interesting approach. I'm gonna try this, Josh. Hold on. So you say state is toggled and U16, yeah, and then fill just one, so it's gonna be okay. And also you can probably just move this up there, right? And also just get rid of these two. I forgot to render the key bindings, but it's fine. Yep, looks pretty good, and it was pretty clean actually. I like this. So I'm gonna bring back the stuff. I'm just gonna change the constraints, and hold on. Sorry, I changed the wrong thing. Oh, god damn it. What was it? State is toggled as U16, and then be just fill one. Wow, okay. I like it. Got a message, hold on. Yeah, easy mode. Super cool stuff. Okay, now we have toggle. Also fix the little character there. Just gonna commit my changes. It was pretty useful stream for me. Just got a new feature in there. Yes, it's not really a feature, but add toggle mode. I don't know. I shouldn't probably just show the screen on stream too, because someone can just guess my password based on the length, I guess. But whatever. Yeah, I don't want to be paranoid that much. How are we doing on socials? Okay, Twitter, no one cared about my tweet. Awesome, as expected. Alright, 2 people liked it. Mastodon. I'm just gonna delete my posts after I end the stream. Okay, now we have that. By the way, I pushed this to the TUI branch that I have. I'm just gonna show it to you. Hold on. Okay, so I use GitHub in light mode. I don't care what you say about it, so I push it to here if you wanna like test this out. Feed / git-cliff-tui. I can actually start, or sorry, I can actually like create a PR now. Let me check. Yeah, it's just 4 files and 4 new files, and some stuff changed in the core, so that should be very straightforward. Okay, I don't know why my NeoVim is not showing that I committed the changes, but whatever. Okay, so how is the delta type line numbering in the editor helpful for anything? It's a good question, and that's a question that I ask myself sometimes. So the thing is, let's say you are on the line 100, right? You can simply say like 10 lines up or 10 lines down instead of line 90 and line 110. And this is kind of useful in Vim because you can simply like, you know, let's say you want to go to this line, right? Enumerate. So when you are at line 100, you simply go ahead and do like 10j, and you are at line 110. Or like, let's say you want to go like 27 lines up, 27k, and you are there. So that's pretty much the usefulness of it. And yeah, I don't use this approach a lot, but sometimes it's useful when you jump to a specific line, or if someone else is looking at your code and they want to like say something like, you know, 10 lines up, you can just go 10k or something. So yeah, that's just and it, you know, it's kind of like a cool thing to have because it's different, you know. It makes people ask this question. So you're like a Vim guy at that point, like no one gets what you're doing. You're like cool and shit. So yeah, so it's like, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of not efficient. It's like, you know, yeah, solving Sudoku while plugging. Yeah, I don't, like I said, I don't use this feature a lot. Yeah, I don't, let me try to remember a time when I use it. Yeah, usually like when I like stream, people say 10 lines up or like 10 lines down. But other than that, it's not really like useful for me as well. Usually I go and check the line and I do like this, like 150 or like, I don't know, 120. I usually do that. But yeah, if I could do maths in my head, I'll be an engineer. I'm not an engineer, I'm just, look at me. I'm just pressing keys on a keyboard and hoping that stuff will look good. Okay, what I'm gonna do next. So we have toggle now, which is great. Yeah, exactly, relative movements and stuff. Yeah. Yep. So, at some point I should probably make this TUI in a way that when you roll these options, it should like automatically generate the changelog. But yeah, I should add the progress bar before that, because now when you select a changelog which supports like a GitHub features, it takes some time. Like when I press enter, like it takes at least 3 seconds to see the changelog. So I should add a progress bar somewhere and show a message. I'm curious if there is any library for like TUI pop-ups or something. I remember there was one. There's TUI pop-up, right? TUI pop-up should be maintained by Josh actually. Yeah, but not this type of pop-ups. I want to like show messages, like alert messages and stuff like that. Josh, do you know any library like that? Like code my own, or this is also nice, but I don't need that much of features actually. Yeah, TUI dialog. Yep, check dialog. What? Oh, TUI confirm dialog. Okay, let's see. Confirm dialog for Ratatouille. Okay, this is kind of closer to what I'm trying to do. But still, maybe I should just code it my own, because I don't know. It's more like a confirmation dialog to me. I want to like show like an alert dialog. You know, when you use like, so in NeoVim, when I do something, I see these messages, right? I want to like show something like this basically. So I want to, yeah, toast, exactly. But I want to show like generating changelog, and then maybe like a spinner, or like a progress bar. I remember there was one library for it. Wait, what was it? Let me try to find it. Actually, I used it in this project. Yeah, Trouble widgets. Trouble widgets TUI. What's this? Example code looks a bit weird. Sorry, light mode. So yeah, I will probably use this. I don't know what's wrong with the example. I don't know if this is intended. Hello, welcome to my stream. Hold on, it's kind of weird. We should probably, which version of Ratatouille is this using right now? Okay. I actually want to contribute to this real quick, because it seems like they're one version behind. And also, we can just simplify these too with the init and restore. Let me just do that instead. I'm like more wait, what's going on? Yeah, I'm like more excited by the idea of contributing to this instead of doing the git-cliff stuff. I'm just gonna do that real quick. So let's clone it. Trouble widgets. I'm not sure actually if, I'm not sure if this is correct, because there is one issue. I don't know if you're still watching, Josh, but the text area one. No, not the text area. What was it? I don't remember the library actually. Yeah, so what I was saying is I'm not sure if this is correct, because when you depend on the latest version and like have no like specifier here, it might be a problem to maybe apps to have a different version of Ratatouille, but I guess you can just go bleeding edge here and doesn't care. Yeah, it's exactly, it's compatible, so it should be fine. But yeah, there was some issues with that, if I remember correctly. I don't remember the exact project, but there was one with those issues. Right now my brain is not working quite well, so I cannot remember, but you know what I mean. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just check. Check as in cargo check, by the way. I have some aliases on the terminal, so we have that. We can maybe also like simplify this. I'm not sure what these are supposed to mean here, because just comments and like colon, and what is it like? Not sure if I should delete it or just keep it there. I'm just gonna delete it. Maybe they're supposed to like mean something, but or maybe just like a way of showing new lines or something. I don't know. Okay. Examples. Let me run the example demo. Okay, we don't need any of this. You'll just go terminal. It's a tui. Oops, cannot type init. And then just restore. I'm not sure if we should show the cursor. We probably should. And then here, tui restore. Oops, what happened? Tui restore or try restore because they are using the error type there. So gonna be something like this. No, they take the result from there. Okay, it should be fine. Just restore. Show cursor also happens automatically. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna. No, it should be fine. Yeah, I will run this and test it out anyways. Okay. And it would be nice to print this as an error and also simplify it like this. Oh, internals drop. Okay, I didn't see it actually. I'm kind of. Wait, where does it happen? Between. Wait, do we have that implemented? Oh yeah, but. Okay, there we go. It's in terminal, yep. It happens automatically. Cool. Trouble again, and then I'm gonna run the example demo. Is there anything else that I can simplify here? Okay, it's just looking like the trouble code there. Yeah. Okay, let's run the demo. Looks good. Maybe we can also simplify something here, or no? Capture the result and just return it instead of printing it. Well, I didn't want to like change the demo a lot, but yeah, that also makes sense because this is a compatible return type, I guess. So I'm just gonna do this maybe. Yeah, it's the same thing, right? So yeah, should be fine. Wait, where? Oh, okay, so what you're saying is, oh, you're basically saying this, right? Like this. No? Okay, this is saying it expects a dynamic error, but it got a IO error, right? So we gotta like, can we just into? Come on, Rust. No. Okay, what's there? Okay, something like this, which is not super clean, but should just work. Yeah, changing the return type would also work, I guess. Yeah, this does not look good. I don't like this at all. I'm just gonna change it to IO results, but then yeah, this is IO results as well. So why use dynamic error type here? I don't know. Okay, IO error, and then just press. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, exactly. We can also like do that too. Just use IO result. Okay. I'm not sure if this minimum supported Rust version is true. I'm gonna just run this real quick and see. What's zlib? Say zlib license? I've never seen this before. Okay, should be correct, right? Yeah. So I don't think this is using like this crate is not using random like rand crate extensively, so this should be just changed to fast rand or something, but I guess that should be fine. It's just a preference. I mean, yeah. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna commit this. Okay, and then is there any example commit format that we can take? Yeah. I don't like emojis in commits, but anyways, we're just gonna follow the convention here, I guess. Don't steal my password. Actually, what I'm gonna do is next time I stream, I'm gonna like have like a custom pin entry that will show the pop-up on the other screen so that you won't see it in my terminal, so I will be able to type in my password without anxiety. First is my hero. Okay, I don't like this commit message. I'm just gonna change it to upgrade. And not to commit hieroglyphs. Yeah, I cannot read that. This looks very bad. I mean, look at this. Like, what is this? Like emojis in commit messages? What is that? What is emoji? Come on. Also simplify the example a bit. Submit. There we go. Look at this, 23 lines deleted. Hieroglyphs, like hieroglyphs. Fucking hell, what did you type? I can't read it, hold on. I'm learning English. Hieroglyph. Hieroglyph. Okay, got it. Okay, now he made a random ass contribution to a random ass project. Now that we can go on our open source endeavors. Okay. Okay, I will use this later on, but now I'll just go back to the TUI here. Oh man. No, not. Okay. Hell yeah, side quest completed. Tim McNamara just accepted my request to connect on LinkedIn. Going big, guys. We're going big. Yeah, drink water. It's been an hour, right? Like, let me check the stream health. Excellent, it says. It's been 58 minutes. Everything seems fine. There is a slight issue with the browser font, I guess. Browser characters or something, right, Josh? Said something like that. Yeah, font alias. Yeah, I'll check that. I need to rewatch the stream after I stop it. So yeah. Okay. Okay. I need to think about this a bit. I want to show the message on the center, or maybe I can just show it somewhere else in the TUI. So I'm not sure. Let me at least write the part where I with a timer. Yeah, I'll try it out, but yeah, maybe later on. I want to like at least finish the part where I send the changelog event, and then because now it's like when I do this, it's just blocking everything else. So like I press enter, now this is frozen. I cannot do anything here, as you can see. So I want to at least make this an like a event, and then yeah, and after that I can add the progress bar or the like the toast message or something. But right now I think I will just do the event. So when I press enter, I should send an event, which I do somewhere. Yeah, here. Generate, and then in main I check. No, yeah, in main I do this and then send the render markdown. So if I just add a thread here, it should be fine, but I cannot really. I need to move the sender into the thread, so sender, and then move the sender in, sender, no also use expect here, fail to send event. Okay, I just got an idea. If I go up there and add another event here, like something like error and the error message, or maybe I should use it like a dynamic error, but this should be fine, I guess. Or I'm just gonna use the yeah, this is not great, but gonna be fine. Don't worry. So, yeah, I'll just change this to proper error handling in the future, so whatever, and show error and then error, and I should import error from state and show error. Yeah, this comment here is not useful at all, but whatever. Okay. God damn it, I'm just gonna use string. Not copy. Whatever, okay. Alright, and then, well, this is the part where it gets a bit like mind-boggling, because I want to use the error event to send the error related to the send, but then what happens if I fail to send that event too? So it's like I try to report an error, but what happens if I fail to report that error, and then I fail to report the other error too, and then it keeps going. So I'm not gonna report the send error, but just report the git-cliff run error. So something like this. Yeah, exactly, we can just ignore those errors. But yeah. Okay, now it should be fine when I do this. And I'm just gonna, at least for now, I can just do this. Yeah, this is not optimal because in a TUI, when you do this, you probably won't see it, or you will see it, but the TUI will be screwed up. So it's not super good, but there isn't much options to like handle errors in TUI, except handle logs in TUI, except like use the TUI logger widget, which I think kind of not super usable. We probably need something better there. I don't know, tracing and TUIs are kind of not super super polished right now, so yeah. Okay, now yeah, I need to like, oh god damn it, I should change the state to something thread safe or something. Oh my god, it's gonna take some time, and I'm getting sleepy now, so gonna just leave it here, I guess. It's Rust, it's exhausting. Okay, I'm gonna check the socials real quick. Wait, we got a review already? What? We got a review on this? Wow. No, it's not a review. What is this? Is this like some AI shit that is automated? What's CodeRabbit? CodeRabbit AI? Oh, come on. This is... I mean, what's the point of this? CodeRabbit, AI-powered platform for code reviews. No, please, people, stop using stuff like this. No. Well, this is good for, like, in some cases, but I mean, this is just too simple and kind of like explain the obvious here. But I can imagine this thing being very annoying. Oh, it actually like kind of reviews the PR as well. I was kind of biased, but now I kind of like it. But still, I mean... Is this free? Cut code review time and bugs in half. Okay, is this free? Get summary and release notes for each pull request. Release notes? What do you mean? Is this AI generated? Okay, includes a 14-day free trial, unlimited full pull request reviews, PRs, summarization. It's approved for open source projects. Alright, let's get started. Let's get scammed. Okay, self-hosted. Okay, whatever. Maybe this is kind of useful for very large enterprise type of software, but do we actually need this for simple stuff like this? Probably not, right? I mean, you're not getting a lot of changes here, just 20 lines, and then you have this huge comment explaining everything. What is this? In the garden of code, I hope it cleave it residues upgrade. Oh, kind of cringe. But okay, we share. You can share the comment on socials. What are the tips? Man, this is so much text. I don't like this. All this AI development and none have been intelligent enough to know when to shut up on their own. Yeah. I like the idea of trying out on a personal project like this. Yeah, I mean, sure. I would probably try it on something small like this as well. There was one project like this. I don't remember its name. But yeah. If I remember correctly, people were pretty against something like this in the past. And yeah, if this was kind of like more like minimal and without this auto-generated stuff, I would go for it, but yeah, it's kind of too much right now. Yeah, exactly. This is too noisy. It's like it's similar to the benchmark thingy that we are using. It's also very noisy. Not very useful as well, I think. We should probably like improve it. What was it? Benchmark. Venture, yeah. But at least it does not have AI generated poems in it, so kind of better. Yeah. Is this thing open source? No, right? What's changelog? There's changelog, okay. I want to check out their Twitter. Code Rabbit. Okay. How many big projects are using this, by the way? I kind of like, very interestingly, came across it on a very small project, but I'm kind of curious now. Yeah, maybe there's a configuration option or something. What is this, by the way? Oh, just a script. Okay, we got the AI generated review. I would probably avoid putting it on Ratatouille now. Yeah, I agree. Got the AI generated review. I will get back to this later. I'm very tired right now. I don't want to write inefficient code, and this live stream has been great. I want to keep it that way, you know. And yeah, it's been nice. Also, I don't know if 3 people are watching. Cool. I want to show you guys something that I'm building, which is kind of fun. So there are these VT100 animations, right? These like old ANSI animation stuff. So I wanted to have a TUI to just, you know, watch them. Simple as that. And I was curious how can I do that, and I created this very simple project where I basically do that. But first I want to show you like how those animations look like. So The Adventures of Bambi. Yeah, just and this is too slow. I wish I changed the parameter. Come on, this is too slow. I'm just gonna edit to this. Yeah. So great, right? So I created this very simple TUI app. This is all just me trying to figure out how to render this in a TUI, and I came up with this idea of using VT100 crate, and then I realized there is already a widget for Ratatouille which is called pseudo-term, and it basically takes the VT100 parser and then renders it as a Ratatouille widget, which is what I needed exactly. So right now I have this very badly written code. Haven't committed anything yet, but when you run it, you can actually see it in a Ratatouille Ratatouille TUI basically. So yeah, I'm just gonna polish this a bit and have the list of the files, the animations, and then you will be able to like go through each one of them and like get this. This is not rendered correctly, but yeah. So yeah, you'll be able to go through each one of them and like watch it, and then it will be just a kind of like a TUI or TTY theater type of thing, like, you know, when you go there and watch movies instead, but instead you will watch these animations. So I named it, yeah, the wrapping is kind of wrong. I don't know what's going on there. I'll take a look, but yeah. So I named it TTY Yetter. Not the brightest name, but I'm kind of open to ideas there. Yeah. Maybe it's due to this block. I don't know. If I do this, maybe it will be. Oh, come on. It's too slow. Yeah, there's definitely an issue there, because the original is not looking like that. Yeah. Well, I'm not sure what's wrong there, so I'll check that later. But yeah, the basic idea is to just be able to go through each thing there. What is this index, by the way? Yeah, I don't need this index. So yeah, just be able to watch them in a Ratatouille. And yeah. What did I change here? Okay, let's try it now. Yeah, there is an issue there. I don't know. Maybe the pseudo terminal is not parsing the ANSI and escape codes very correctly. Theater TT wire. Yeah, it's actually kind of better than mine. Yeah, maybe terminal size is weird. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I will take a look. Maybe I can just continue the stream with this project tomorrow, because I really want to like continue like streaming, because I realized I've been doing kind of fun stuff and I've been just doing it on my own, and it would be just nice to do it on a stream, and so that I can like get more ideas and like do something together. I don't know, and maybe we can like discover new stuff, like the rabbit code rabbit thingy that I saw today. So yeah. Also, there are like a couple of conferences coming up, and I need to work on my presentation. I already talked to Josh about it, and I think I will just demo something. But recently I tried to make a demo on one of the meetup, like online meetups, and right now doing very simple and interesting thing in Ratatouille takes more than like 20 minutes, and I will just have 20 minutes for a demo, and it's not a lot of time, and it's probably not super enough to build something impressive. So I will probably just code it before the presentation and just have screenshots of the code, or maybe I can just add the screenshots of the, wait, I'm just gonna switch to this thing. So maybe I can just add the like the screenshots of the code, or just the changing parts of it, and then just show that you can, you know, for example, you can show images in the terminal using this widget, and then you can add like tabs like this, and then stuff like that. So I'll just build an app, some app that I will be demonstrating most of the impressive features of Ratatouille, then like put everything into the presentation as screenshots. So yeah, I basically need to go ahead and build this app simply, and yeah, I'll just push it on GitHub and stuff like that too. So yeah, in some streams this week I can focus on that as well. I don't know, there's like a lot of ideas. I can work on the git-cliff-tui, I can work on this VT100 thing. I can even like work on the ratatouille stuff. I know there are like a lot of, not a lot, but some PRs that need some review, and also there's a lot of issues that needs some love. So maybe that, I'm not really sure. I can stream during the day as well. I don't know. Just we're gonna see, just experimenting. So yeah. But this stream has been kind of great. Had no issues. Everything seems to be working, and I kind of got some stuff done as well. So kind of a positive experience. I'm not sure what the experience will be like after I stop the stream, because I'm guessing it will post it on YouTube and you'll be able to watch it, but yeah, we'll see. But now everything seems fine. I mean, there are a couple of tweaks that I need to do here and there, but overall it's good. So yeah, and if I like kind of announce it before I stream, more people will tune in, so that should be also fine. But yeah, I'm just gonna go, guys. Just gonna go to bed and just chill. Any last words? Come on. 3 people watching. I know you guys are watching. Say something. I'll go. Take care, guys. Bye.